friends, I'm very much excited that I am here at Cikarang at Indonesia, and this wonderful property which we are there is Kawana Golf Residency, which is also owned by the primary sponsor of Cikarang Industrial Roadshow, which is going to happen tomorrow. As envisioned by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, that we are trying to take, and our mission of Machine Maker is also to take Indian manufacturing to the global market, and this we can say is one step towards that mission, and this will be for the first time. You know, in our country there are so many agencies like EPC and many other people take Indian companies outside, but an independent company, an MSME manufacturing media house, taking an Indian Pavilion and promoting, maybe this will be for the first time. And Machine Maker, as you know, we have many things which we have done for the Indian manufacturing for the very first time. Tomorrow, 9 Indian companies will be featured at Industrial Roadshow at Cikarang, and we believe that will help the global market to understand the potential of Indian manufacturing companies.
So we are really excited as a CTC Precision Limited. We are very excited to come to Cikarang, Indonesia for the exhibition which is scheduled tomorrow. Main aim of our company to come in a global market. We have an experience of close to 40 years in the cutting tool industry, and this has already given us the platform to explore the international market, and we are almost all parts of the world, and it's always good that Indian manufacturers go out of the India to promote themselves.
So this is the night before the event. Today we're here. I got a great opportunity to meet people from different sectors who've been working in the innovative and automation field. Already it's such a great exposure, meeting people, getting to discuss what they've been working on and what we've been working on. Really excited for it.
It is a nice event. It has been organized by the Indian Pavilion from the India side. But I can tell you that we have already established our market in Indonesia, but we need to explore more what we did it earlier, because now technology has changed, and I came from the seal background where the integration is the more important things, where you can do the impregnation to save not only the casting, that only to save the money. And this has to improve the productivity as well as the business opportunity to grow over the world without destroying or without doing any changes in your product which you have already produced.
Energy Mission Machinery is India's largest sheet metal machine forming manufacturer, and we are since last 25 years supplying machines in India and rest of the world. Like, we are already doing business in European market, US markets and rest of the world, and now today we are in Indonesia, and we are really think that with our standard of machines and technology, it is going to benefit the Indonesian automobile industry as well as the other industries who are going to use our machines. So we are looking forward for tomorrow's exhibition, which is Cikarang Industrial Roadshow, to have such collaborations and to look forward to supply our machines in Indonesia.